Okay, so guys, paano nga ba natin iti-trade itong gold since merong high impact news today and merong FOMC meeting. Okay, so we still remain bullish despite ng mga recent down movements. Ayan, so may mga geopolitical tensions pa rin and may nag-breakout na war which is yung Iran and Israel, and it's still getting started. No possible reason pa para maghinto silang dalawa, so wala pang big news about that. And yeah, still may breakout dito, no. Ito pa rin yung nakaraan natin na analysis, no. So may breakout dito, nag-retest and breakout, retest, and then still going up. As you can see, it's still possible that we can capture this, no. And so okay, so that's what we're seeing here. And yeah, so yung trend line niya, so pwede na nating i-invalidate to, no. Pwede natin tanggalin yan. Yan, so nakuha na tong 3438 na target natin. Ayan, so na-mention ko rin yung 3438 target na yan. So what we are seeing here is itong 3498 or yung 35 na target natin. So yan yung gusto nating matarget dito. Okay, so punta tayo sa execution level. So like what I'm saying, we are doing a top-down analysis, no. Okay, so dito tayo sa ating lower time frame. Ayan. Okay, so naka-box yan, no. Ayan. So what I'm doing here since the start of the day or even start of the week, I'm just buying here. Ayan, sa mga ganyan. Ayan, so buy. Okay, then sell here. Ayan, mga ganyan. So tawag dyan range trading. So bakit ko ba yan ginawa? Kasi meron ditong support and yun, nung tumama siya dito, ayan, so it's possible na it may still bounce here. Okay, so meron lang sumobra dito. Ayan, but still there's a lot of opportunities there. Ayan, so makaapat na buy na tayo. So dominant yung pagbabay natin dito. Since we are overall bullish with gold, no. So also there are a lot of selling opportunities naman, no. Pero mostly buy tayo. Buy yung ginagawa natin kasi sa analysis natin on a higher time frame, it's on a bullish. Okay, so mahirap mag against the trend. And yes, possible na it could break either ways, though. So a break here, yan, kapag na break itong 3364, no, it may go back down. Okay, so ano yung level na pwedeng pagbagsakan yan? So 3316, ito 3338, pwedeng bagsakan yan. Ayan, so hanap kayo ng mga ghost line kung tawagin, no. So yung mga dating-dati pa na support na matibay, yan yung mga pwede nyo hanapin dyan. 3338 and yan 3297, 3318. Okay, so those are the levels na pwede natin bantayan kapag nag-break siya dito pababa. Pero pag sa pataas, napakarami natin pwedeng targetin, no. So pwede tayong tumarget dito sa 3443 and also dito sa 3428 or 3425. Ayan, so yan yung mga levels, no. So mamaya pwede nyong bantayan yung galaw ng market kung magbe-breakout pa siya dito sa box na to, kung pataas or pababa. Okay, so pero meron pa isang high impact news which is 2 AM, so we better watch out for that as well. And that's it, guys, for our gold market analysis. So thank you so much.